Hello! So as most of you will know, Microsoft Edge comes pre-installed with Windows and it's there, even though many people do not use it and favour Chrome and Firefox over it, including us. So today we're going to look at how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge. So if you go to Add or Remove Programs in Control Panel and then click on that option, and it'll take you up to installed apps. And then if we scroll down to Microsoft Edge, which we can see there by Microsoft Corporation, and click on it, and we will go to uninstall. Oh wait, you can't uninstall it. Microsoft Edge is here forever. There's just no escaping it. Like, even though we've just tried to uninstall it now, it's locked up the system. It's just determined that you can't do it. Oh no, that's it. You see, we can't click on anything now. That's it. Edge is here forever.